welcome to Pi Seconds, everything in just 180 seconds. Today, the toy of the show is the multi-purpose clothing hanger stand. These are two base pipes with two nut holes on each. It comes with four pipes, two vertical and two horizontal, and also have nut holes in them. They will connect with the base pipe. This one is another horizontal U-shaped pipe that will connect on the top, and it has lots of hanger holes in it. These are hanger hooks and nuts that will come with it. This one is base rubber. This one is hanger made of plastic. These are nuts and it comes with L keys. This product is of good quality, durable material, so we will give this product 8 out of 10 pies. At this price point, this is the best you can get.